Hi guys! Welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about Goldwing family returns for 2023. In a model announcement today, American Honda confirmed that the Goldwing family returns for the 2023 model year. For nearly 5 decades, Honda's legendary flagship touring machine has starred in long-distance road rides the world over. For those who enjoy covering mile after mile on 2 wheels, nothing compares to the model that literally invented the touring category. Comfort, smoothness, technology, and surprisingly nimble handling. These are the ingredients that make for memorable motorcycle touring. And the Goldwing has them all in spades, along with a long list of available accessories. Available in 4 different trim levels, 3 of which feature Honda's exclusive dual-clutch transmission. The Goldwing is ready to deliver inspiring touring adventures for the new model year. Known for its smooth power, comfortable ride, and high-tech features, Honda's Goldwing family continues to define the modern touring category, as exploring long, picturesque roads with good company is exactly what this luxury cruiser is designed to do. Equipped with substantial luggage capacity, a premium sound system, and convenient navigation software, the Goldwing makes taking the scenic route the obvious choice. The comfortable seat and unparalleled suspension performance promote rider and passenger comfort for long, multi-day rides, while the Goldwing's agile handling and available DCT gearbox offer exceptional performance on open highways and winding back roads. Colors: Goldwing Tour Airbag DCT, Candy Ardent Red. Goldwing Tour DCT, Black, Candy Ardent Red. Goldwing Tour, Black, Candy Ardent Red. Goldwing DCT, Matte Gray. Price: Goldwing Tour Airbag DCT, $32,900. Goldwing Tour DCT, $29,600. Goldwing Tour, $28,600. Goldwing DCT, $25,600. What do you think about the 2023 Honda Goldwing line? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.